Think of the last time you suffered an issue with a pump in your system. You probably called for service, but the technician took a while to get there. While you were waiting, the issue resulted in a worse production efficiency, leaving you frustrated. So, next time you've got trouble with a pump, call our service team as usual. They'll take a look at your issue and consider whether a technician is needed on site.
I've got this problem with my pump.
During this live video call, the expert is equipped with helpful capabilities such as zooming and live drawings.
You ready to help you?
Yeah, thank you.
The smart features of Grundfos Remote Support allow the expert to quickly identify your problem and show you how to fix it before costs spiral out of control. All you need to get started is a smartphone and access to the internet. Grundfos Remote Support solves problems faster, saves time, and keeps downtime at a minimum. Get live expert assistance with Grundfos Remote Support.